Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explore about DDoS attack, that is distributed denial of service. Okay, so let's start. So let's suppose this is an attacker. So what attacker will do? Attacker will control a compromised system called CNC server, that is command and control server or center. So attacker will use this CNC server and then he's gonna transmit a wake up signal to all these machines. So what are these machines? These machines are nothing but these compromised PCs, or what we call them as zombies or botnets. So we have all these names. Basically these are the machines in which the malware has been installed and it is under the control of the attacker. So attacker use CNC server to send a wake up signal to these compromised PCs. So once the wake up signal is sent, all these machines there will start attacking this particular server, and this will gonna flood the particular server with so many data packets and they're gonna crash the server. Now if like some genuine person, a user want to access the web page, he send a request to get the response of that web page, his request will be denied. So this kind of denial of service attack we call as denial of service attack. Here since we have used we're gonna use thousands of PCs, like 10k to 20k PCs, compromised PCs, to conduct this type of attack. So we call this kind of attack as distributed denial of service attack or DDoS attack. So what are the tools that we can able to utilize to conduct this attack? Some of the tools include high orbit ion cannon and low orbit ion cannon. So both of these tools we can able to download from sourceforge.net. So let's download this. Okay, I've downloaded. Let's run this tool first. Okay, here what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on the plus button and we're gonna paste URL of a testing website. That's like you can take testfire.net, copy this URL, we'll paste here, and here we can set like the power low, medium, high. Click on add so you can give the threads, confire the laser. So now you can see we have started flooding that particular website with so many data packets. How to check that? I'm going to open Wireshark tool and we'll click on this and we'll see if you could able to see. You can see started flooding that particular target with so many data packets. Stop this. Let's explore one more tool, that is low orbit ion cannon. So we're gonna download this from the same website. Okay, let's run this tool. Okay, here we're gonna paste the URL. I'll click on lock on. You can see the IP of that website. You can select any method you want, like TCP, UDP, or HTTP. Okay, you can select the speed. You can select number of threads. You can click on I'm charging my laser, and it will start flooding that particular website with so many data packets. How to check that? Let's get back to Wireshark and see. You can start Wireshark and see you can started flooding that particular target with so many data packets. So these are some couple of tools that we can utilize to conduct the DOS attack on particular website. That's it from this video. Thank you so much.